Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Amir Razi bin Muhammad Hamzan. My ID number is MDB 2307056. Today my team and I will explain about internet survey. The first one is objective. First, survey topic. We will survey the topic types of telco used among the student of College Professional Mara Air Molek. The second one is survey objective. We will investigate a raw data amount of students, estimate 30 students about their monthly internet price towards the device used around KPM Air Molek. Second is investigate several areas that students use their device according to the internet speed use. Next is investigate date and time of use Deco or Wi-Fi hotspot. And last is investigate the satisfaction of students regarding the line of monthly internet price in KPM Air Molek.
So for the next part is graphical form. First we have here is bar graph. So the first telco is Celcom, which is 13, U Mobile 5, Digi also with U Mobile, which is 5, Maxis, Tuntalk and Red One have the same, which is 2, and last one is XOX, which is only 1. So next is pie chart. So from the place that students use the telco around the college, cafe is 50.5%, library is 10.1%, prayer hall 6.1%, Hang Kasturi hall is 5%, sports area is 30.3%.
Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nukman Wafiq bin Muhammad Jamaluddin. I'm from class DBS 2A and my ID number is MDB 2307098. For this topic, we will talking about quantitative data. For the first one is histogram. This is the table for histogram. For the question, how much that you spend for the quota for the month of student in KPM Air Molek. So here the respondent, total of the respondent we get is EF 30, and there is a percentage, price, and there's a FX and FX times 2. For the calculation for FX, we got EFX 1234.5 units, and FX times 2 is EFX2 with 54,161. Okay, next, how we get the FX and the FX times 2, how we calculate it. We just frequency is a respondent, and we just take 1 and we just time by 15 this X, we got this 15. Same goes to the 4, we just take 4 and times by 25.5 and we get 102, and some the other else. For the FX times 2 here, we just take 15 this X, we just times by 15 and we get 225 right here. Same goes to 25.5 and we just time by 102 and we get the 2601. Okay, for the next part will be calculate for the mean and mode 1. So for the mean is EFX divided by EF, so equals with we will put EFX 1234.5 divided by 30, and for the equals we will get 41.15. And for the mode, just take in the table above, we will take 40.5 plus by 11 minus 8 divided by 11 minus 8 plus 11 minus 6, and will be times by 50.5 minus 40.5 equals 42.00. So that's how we calculate the mean and for the mode. So next for the calculation for Q1, Q2 and Q3. So here is the table, price and location. For beside the table is the calculation of the table, automatic calculation in this type and location Q1, Q2 and Q3. So we will move on to how we calculate the Q1, Q2 and Q3. So we just take for the Q1, we take in the table 20.5 plus 30.5 in the table in location, minus 1 divide by 4 times 30.5 minus 20.5 and equals 36.75. And next for the Q2, we just take from the table 30.5 plus 15 minus 5 divide by 8, and we just times with 40.5 minus 30.5 and we will get 43. And for the next Q3, we just take 40.5 in the table plus 22.5 minus 13 divide by 11, and we just straightforward 2 times by 50.5 minus 40.5 and the equals we will get 49.13. And next, let's move on to the standard deviation. Here is the calculation of the standard deviation. We just square root 5004,161 divided by 30 minus 1 minus 1234.5 times 2 here, divide by 30 times 30 minus 1, and so for the calculate we will get 10.76 right here in the right. So next we'll go to the percent measure of squeamishness. We'll just take 3 times by 41.15 minus 43 divided by 10.76, and the answer will equals negative 0.51. So for the coefficient of variation, 10.76 divided by 41.15 times 100% equals, for the answer we get 26.14.
Okay, my name is Muhammad Faiz Bizwan. My ID number MDB 2307053, and now I will talk about the question 3, frequency polygon. The question is, how long have you been using this video? So at the frequency polygon table, we have respondents, percentage points, X, Fx and Fx times 2. For respondents, overall total is 30, and for Fx, overall total is 205 and 0.5, and for Fx times 2, the overall total is 1442.875. So for the histogram, the title is the month distribution of the 3 respondents, starting with respondents with 5, 15, 25, 35, and for month starting from 1 to 4, 5 to 8, 9 to 12, 13 to 16, and 17 to 20. Okay. For 1 to 4, the respondents is 0, and 5 to 8, the respondents is 2, 9 to 12, the respondents is 2, 13 to 16, the respondents is 26, and 17 to 20, the respondents is 0. So now I will talk.
So for the conclusion, students here are greatly impacted by the internet. According to our group observation, KPM iMolek students often have access at low speed internet alternative at an average cost for their monthly internet. In spite of this, there is notable general satisfaction with the monthly internet pricing. Moreover, students and lecturers are the main users of internet service in this college, as they heavily depend on it. Furthermore, the level of satisfaction might be different based on the student's selected provider of telecommunication. This highlights how important affordable and dependable internet connectivity is for helping academic activities and improving educational opportunities.
So, next is recommendation. Our recommendation is to improve internet quality in KPM iMolek is optimized Wi-Fi network. For instance, We must ensure the Wi-Fi router is placed in a central location and consider upgrading to a modern router with a better coverage and performance. Lastly, we recommend that KPM Ayer Molek authorities can install a signal booster or repeaters. For example, signal boosters or Wi-Fi repeaters strategically to extend coverage and improve signal strength in areas in weak connectivity.